Hello, me, Sam Ricardo again. This is my night practice. Well, in this practice, it is in parallel. It is circuit in parallel. We have 5 resistors and one source of 12 volts. The first resistance it is have 1 ohms, and the second it is the same 1 ohms, and the third it has 1.2 ohms, and the fourth the same, it has 1.2 ohms, and the last resistance rectified it has 3.3 ohms, and just wait. Okay, so we're gonna put in simulation. Well, we had the results. It is 2 amperes, 2 amperes, 10 amperes, 10 amperes, 3.363. Well, we're gonna zoom, and then we had 247.2 amperes. Wait. Yeah, and it is correct. And the second we had the resistance in parallel, and just